Good morning my people, good morning my people. I hope you are well. Okay, sasa nataka nikakuonyeshe namna ya kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia website hii. Okay, katika website hii inayofahamika kwa jina la Copy Trading Does Not Amount. Hii inaitwa ETORO.com. Hii ni copy trader, okay? Kwa hiyo copy trader unaweza ukainvest like ETORO stop investors to replicate the investment move of other traders in real time automatically. Why copy top performing traders? Kwanza hii ni user friendly, lakini pia ni automatic, invest with invested traders. Copying is free, save time, leverage their expertise, meet our popular investors. Kwa hiyo katika website hii namna ya kuweza kujiunga nitakwenda kuonyesha katika sehemu hii jinsi ya kuweza kutengeneza free account katika website hii. Kwa hiyo itazame video hii kwa makini, usikose hata kipande kimoja cha video hii wala usiskip. Lakini pia usahau kusubscribe, like na comment ili tuweze kwenda pamoja. Kwa sehemu hii unaweza ukasign up, click sehemu hii iliyoandikwa sign up. Kwa kusign up unaweza ukasign up kwa kutumia email au kwa kutumia Google account. Okay, kwa hiyo unaweza ukajaza email yako sehemu hiyo, uka click continue, then baada ya hapo ukaandika username namna hii fairboytz, kaweka na password zangu hapa, then click accept, click I acknowledge cookies and policies, click create an account and then wait for the moment. Okay, verify your email address. The email address have been verified, so you can activate it now. So you need to go to your email, then your ETORO verification code is customer service be offering ticket for your security. This code is for immediately use, only 15 minutes. So the code is this one. You can copy this code, then go back here, paste this code, then click activate now. Okay, complete your profile. Then here you can complete your profile, you can click continue or you can skip this. Kwa hiyo baada ya kuweza kujiunga na umeshaweza kutengeneza account yako, utaona namna hii, welcome to ETORO, verify your account to start investing. So verify account done, you can start investing here. Tonishi, imagine, just imagine a word of robot taxi. If you know, you know. Tesla Motors. These are the previews of what. So you can come here. Kija sehemu hii utaona complete this one. You need to complete your profile. So this economic calendar, ETORO club. You can invite also friends. You can withdraw funds. Go to setting to complete. So also you can deposit the fund in order to start trading. Okay, click deposit. I'll show you how to do this. See, fund your account, credit card. You can put amount you want to deposit here. If it's $100, you can select also your currency. If it's USDT, Euro, GBP, select what you want to do. Minimum deposit amount is 200. Okay, minimum amount is 200, so you can put this $200. Then enter the card number, enter the month, expired month and year, then select this one. I can select this 439. After that I can enter my first name. So you can do this, very simple. Then after you enter there, you can start investing. Orders, manual trade. Your portfolio is empty, no cash available. Okay, no cash available. Okay, this how to withdraw the fund. See if you have fund, you can see here, then you can withdraw your fund, deposit, watch list, daily movers, AR revolution, daily movers, today's biggest gainers and losers, this one 32, 29. So you can select where you want to invest. Okay, then you can start with Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Meta. Okay, you can select your platform, then you can start investing. As you see, this one, return copier, total asset, euro. So you can start investing in this platform. Okay, thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment to my channel.